Hey everybody, welcome back to Wallet Reset. In this video, we're going to talk about e-commerce on IG. I'm going to give you an e-commerce marketing strategy for Instagram, okay? So a lot of you guys know that Instagram is huge. Instagram is like the biggest thing right now in terms of social media networks. And you've probably heard a lot of people talk about it. I'm going to tell you a couple of things that you should do, but first, I'm going to tell you what not to do, all right? And I'm going to tell you why. So first things first, don't do follow unfollow. It works to get you followers. It works to get the ball rolling with people following you. But the problem is, two things. Number one, the problem is when people start to see that you're doing follow unfollow, you are going to basically force people to lose interest in what you have to talk about. And when you're doing e-commerce, essentially they have to be able to trust your brand. They have to trust that you are not going to do anything that they feel is not cool, essentially. And follow unfollow, for you guys who don't know what that is, all you're doing is you're following people, and then when they don't follow you back, you're unfollowing them. All right? And that's not necessary. And the reason why is because people will buy from you anyway, right? They'll buy from you simply based on the fact that the shoes are cool, or the hat looks cool, or the whatever it is you're selling, the music's good. People will buy from you no matter what. If they like it, if they're interested, they're gonna follow you, right? And if they don't follow you, they might just buy, and you won't have to have them be a follower. So anyway, follow unfollow really, really is like, at least for me, I don't agree with the whole follow unfollow thing. Now you know why. So here's what I would say to do if you're just starting out on Instagram for marketing, right? So number one, first thing you want to do if you're setting up your first Instagram account for your business, it gives you the option to turn it into a business account. Do that. All right, turn it into a business account. Now here's why. When you have a business account with Instagram, they allow you to make your photos clickable to where once people click your photo or interact with your photo, it'll take them to your site where they can make a purchase. That is huge because they're literally seeing it on someone, right? And then they're saying, oh, I like that, clicking it, and then going to your site and they can make a purchase right then and there. That's good for you simply because you can basically just take photos, do photo shoots, post on Instagram, and get sales, all right? So now that you have done that, number two, hashtags, right? Popular hashtags. I want you to get a list of hashtags, right? And then post every image that you do, post all of them into there. They should be popular hashtags, and you should do it consistently. Also, when you do that, right, this is something else I want you to do. Like and comment under other people's or under any hashtag posts. Now, this is not my strategy that I came up with. This is something that Gary Vaynerchuk does and says. I think he calls it the $1.80 strategy. But essentially, you just do I think 10 posts under each hashtag, like and comment every day, at least. And then finally, if you have some money, right, and you're willing to see how well this will work, right, you want to use influencer marketing, right? So what is that? What is an influencer? An influencer is someone who has a large following that can make posts for you, and those people who see the post, some of them will come over to your site and buy, right? Influencer marketing is something that's kind of a new thing. It's just getting tapped into, and there's a lot of people that are it's huge. I'll just say it like that. It's huge, and there's a lot of potential for growth. So you should be doing influencer marketing on Instagram if you can afford to, if you can throw some money towards it, which you should be able to once you get the ball rolling on the first two things. And that's really it. Don't waste your time with follow, unfollow. Really just get to the point, right? Get to the point where you're showing your content to the people who will buy from you, all right? You're going to start to get traffic. You're going to start to get sales just from doing this. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Be sure to give me a thumbs up if you got something out of this. Also, comment, subscribe, and sign up for the notifications by hitting the bell icon. I'll see you guys tomorrow in the next video. Thanks for watching. See you.